Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Cooler Master GA2501 monitor. So friends, Cooler Master has launched the GA2501 monitor engineered to fulfill basic display needs. And friends, this monitor is equipped with 24.5-inch IPS panel offering a 1920 by 1080 resolution, and it provides a 100Hz refresh rate over HDMI and 75Hz through ACA. The latter inclusion serving as support for older connectivity option. And friend, the design is uncomplicated, emphasizing practically with limited adjustability. Its stand permits a tilt range from -5 to 15 degree and addressing fundamental ergonomic requirements. And from a performance standpoint, it delivers brightness of 250 nits and a contrast ratio of 1500 Jam1, and it features a 4 millisecond G2G and 1 millisecond MPRT response time for flat motion. Additionally, it offers broad viewing angle of 178 degree both horizontally and vertically. The monitor achieves satisfactory color accuracy with an 84% DCI-P3, 84% Adobe RGB, 109% sRGB coverage, making it versatile for everyday use and certain tasks that demand color precision. And the distinctive aspect of the GA2501 is its inclusion of a joystick that also functions as the power switch, streamlining the interface navigation and convenience borrowed from Cooler Master's premium model. And friend, it is priced at around $122. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon